Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst for Hentech Markets. This is Wednesday the 30th of April. Going to be moving on to euro dollar now, and euro had a big decline yesterday on the back of those German CPI numbers that disappointed, came in slightly lower than expected, and that has basically just reaffirmed this consolidation pattern, this trading range that we've basically been moving in sideways around about 100 ticks, just under 100 ticks over the past 2.5 weeks now. So it's just sort of reaffirmed that range, and it's fairly difficult to call either way at the moment. And the reason that is because also we're waiting for this inflation data that's due to come out at 10 o'clock this morning. Technically, it's very difficult to call. Therefore, you've basically not really been doing a great deal over the past few days. You thought that this nice little push higher with these series of green candles was going to be subsequently ending up in a retest of that 39 big figure area, but then a sharp reversal that we saw yesterday suggests otherwise. So these momentum indicators are not really giving us anything. RSI basically bang on 50, MACD lines basically flat. The only thing you would say is that as I've been warning in the last few days that the stochastics hadn't taken off yet, they've now sharply deteriorated. So you could argue even on a near-term basis that there is downside pressure going on, and may be resulting in a retest of that 37.83 mark, which marks the low of this trading period that we're seeing at the moment. On the intraday level, again, these moving averages intraday are fairly flat and not doing a great deal. It just suggests we're in a range-bound period. Just very slight uptick in euro in the opening of European trading, and the RSI is slightly bullishly diverging, but to be honest, it just comes towards the bottom of this trading band here, and to be honest, until we see a decisive move below the lows, which is 37.83, then you can't really play this with any real conviction either way, because it's a difficult shout with the fact that it's basically traded sideways and not had any sort of conviction either way in the last few days. Certainly the reversal that we saw yesterday on the German inflation would suggest that. Huge amount of economic data that could impact euro dollar in the next few days. And because of that, I think it's a very difficult call to make. Starts off with the Eurozone inflation at 10 o'clock today, followed by GDP for the States, FOMC tonight, all the PMIs for the Eurozone and the US ISM tomorrow, and then obviously ending with non-farm payrolls on Friday. So there's so much that can impact on euro dollar, and it just makes it a very difficult call to make. So I wish you good luck in your trading on euro dollar. The key lows, as I said, 37.83. You'd then probably look at on the upside, a resistance mid-range is around about 38.40 sort of area, and 38.78 was the high from yesterday. So just a few levels to maybe go on there. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on euro dollar, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.